Hello, hello, hello. It's Nicole. Nicole is making it happen. Guys, it is Friday morning, June 21st, and today starts the new giant ad along with new coupons and new sales. So I have a lot of deals that I want to show you guys that I think are fantastic deals that I think everyone's going to want to do. So you want to go ahead and get your phones out so that you could take some screenshots. Get some pencil and a paper out so you could take some notes, and you will need your Ibotta app. So if you haven't downloaded Ibotta, make sure you do that. And you'll also need your Fetch app. I will put the links in the description box as well as in the comments, so that you can go ahead and download those apps if you don't already have them. And then of course you'll need the Giant app to download the digital coupons. So let's go ahead into the store and let's get started. Okay guys, so the first item I'm going to grab is going to be this Oral-B toothbrush. It is the Indicator Max toothbrush. The price is $2.59. And when you scan it into the Giant app, this $2 digital coupon does attach. So we're going to go ahead and click that coupon and we'll pay just 59 cents for this Oral-B toothbrush. Okay, next we're going to grab one of these Skin Cement razors. You can either get the one in the aqua color package or the one in the purple. They are on sale this week for $6.49. But when you scan it into the app, you see we have this $4 digital coupon that will come off. So basically that brings them down to just $2.49. Alright guys, next we're going to grab some Glade Candles, but be very careful because it's only one particular scent that we're going to get. This scent is discontinued, as you can see. So it is this one right here. My camera is blurry. It is the Rose and Bloom. They are regularly $3.99, but they're 50% off because they're being discontinued. So they come down to $1.99. But guys, guess what? We're going to submit our receipt to Ibotta because Ibotta's giving us $1 back for each one, and we can get up to 5. So that's going to make these candles just 99 cents. Okay, we're also going to grab one of these Glade oil refills. And again, guys, you have to be careful because these are being discontinued, and it's only this particular scent that is being discontinued. That's marked down. That's the Joyful Citrus Daisies. It is regularly $5.99. It's 50% off at $2.99. But if you submit your receipt to Ibotta, you can get $2 more off of that price, and you can get up to 3. So that will bring these down to just 99 cents. I'm going to go ahead and put those in the cart. Next, we're going to pick up one of these White Cloud tissues. They are regularly $2.59, but this week they're on sale 2 for $3. You do not have to buy 2 in order to get the sale price. So they are $1.50 each, and when you scan them into the app, you get $1 off 1. So basically we're going to pay 50 cents for a box of tissues. And there's also another special that when you buy 10 of the participating products, you get $200 in choice points, which is 20 cents off of gas. And there's a whole bunch of different things that qualify in this, like there's toothpaste, toothbrushes, all kind of things, but I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to get a box of tissues and pay 50 cents for my box of tissues. Okay guys, so here's another amazing deal that we're going to grab. It's going to be on the Cesar Dog Food. You're going to get the little packets that are $1.29, and there's a couple of different flavors that you can choose from, but I'm just going to get the filet mignon. So I'm going to grab 5 of these. When you grab 5 of these and scan it into your Giant app, you will see that there is a coupon that attaches, and that's what makes this deal so great. This coupon is $4 off when you buy 5. But how we're going to get this for even cheaper is we're going to submit our receipt to Ibotta. Ibotta has a rebate when you purchase 3 of them you get $2 back. So we're going to end up getting $6 back for this. So we're going to end up getting like 5 things of dog food for like 49 cents. Okay, next, guys, we're going to grab some cereal. Now, they do have General Mills cereals on sale, 2 for $6. But when you buy 3 of them, you get them for $1.99 each. And there's a whole bunch of different ones you could choose from. You could choose from the Reese Puffs, Cinnamon Toast Crunch, Lucky Charms, Fruit Loops. Oh, excuse me, not Fruit Loops. Fruit Loops is Kellogg, I'm sorry. But the Kellogg cereals, okay? But we're going to focus only on the Reese Puffs, and you'll see why in 1 second. Oh, the tricks are also included, guys. But we're going to focus on the Reese Puffs. So they're regularly $4.99. They're on sale 2 for $6. Or if you get 3, they're going to be $1.99. So, of course, we're going to grab 3 of them, okay? And this is the size that you want to get. You want to get this one. Okay. Oh, well, that's in Spanish. Hold on. Okay, the 11.5 ounce is what you want to get, okay? So we're going to grab 3 of them. 3 of them is going to be $6 basically, $1.99 each. When you scan it into your app, your Giant app, you will see that there is a coupon for $1 off 2, but then you will also see it comes up $1.99 each when you buy 3. But then the reason why we're really focusing on the Reese's is because we have an Ibotta rebate for 75 cents off, and you can get up to 5. So we're going to get 3 of them. So that's going to make this cereal super, super cheap for us. We're also going to submit our receipt to Fetch. Fetch is going to give us 700 points, which is 70 cents back when you buy 3 General Mills cereals. And guess what, guys? You can do this up to 3 times. Okay, guys, so this is everything that we're going to get today. The 3 boxes of Reese Puff cereal, the Glade plugins, the 5 Glade candles, the Oral-B toothbrush, the box of White Cloud tissues, the 5 packs of Cesar Dog Food, and the Skintimate razors. So let's head up to the register and let's see what our out-of-pocket is going to be. Okay, I'm back in the car, guys. Let's go over our receipt. So if you hear the air in the background, I have to have it on. It is hot. It is 98 degrees. All right, so here we have the cereal, the Reese Puffs that I purchased. Then you see the personal discount. That's the $1 off 2. Then you see the other Reese Puffs and the other Reese Puffs. So there was 3 of them. Remember, you had to buy 3 in order to get them for $1.99. And then there's the Glade plug-in. It says $5.99 minus the $3, which brought it down to $2.99, which is the clearance price. So this is my total. Remember, we don't talk about tax. So my total was really $7.96. But don't forget, I submitted my receipt to Ibotta, and I got back $2.25 from Ibotta, because I got 75 cents back for each thing of cereal and $2 back for the Glade plug-in. So that's a total of $4.25 that I got back from Ibotta. I also submitted my receipt to Fetch, and as you can see, Fetch gave me 700 points, which is 70 cents for purchasing 3 boxes of cereal. So when you do the math for this particular receipt, that means that I only paid $3.01 for 3 boxes of cereal and a thing of Glade plugins. Now, if you do the math just on the cereal was $1.99 a box, which comes to $5.97. Then you minus the $1 for the coupon, the $2.25 that I got from Ibotta, and the 70 cents that I got back from Fetch. So that means 3 boxes of cereals comes to $2.02. And if you divide that by 3, that means that is 67 cents per box. Also, this Sweet Baby printed out at the register. So if I want to do the deal again, I can go back and use this coupon also. Doesn't expire till August 16th, but you have to buy 4 boxes. Okay, now let's go over the second receipt. And I did do it in 2 separate transactions because I wanted to submit my receipts to 2 separate Ibotta accounts. So there you see my Glade candle. There should be 1, 2, 3. There's 5 of them. They're just mixed up. So there's 3 Glade candles. It says $3.99 minus $2, which they come down to $1.99, which is the clearance price. Then you have the WC, which are the white cloud tissues, for $2.59 minus the $1.09 because they're on sale for $1.50 each. And then there's my dollar coupon, so I paid 50 cents for those. There's my other Glade, 2 Glades, and then there are my 5 Cesar filet mignon dog foods, and the MC is the discount, personal discount, which is the $4 digital coupon. There's my razor for $7.49 minus the $1 bonus savings, which brings that to $6.49, and the $4 digital coupon. And there's the Oral-B toothbrush. Guys, I made a mistake on that. It said that you had to buy 2 toothbrushes, and I only got 1. So I actually took that back. So we're going to actually minus that off of our total. So our total is not $18.88. Really, our total is $15.39 because we minus the $2.59 for the toothbrush plus the tax. So I did submit my receipt back to Ibotta, and I got $1 back for each candle, so that's $5. I'm not going to count this 10 cents for any receipt because everyone doesn't get that. And then I got the $2 back for the dog food, so that's a total of $7 I got back. So when you minus the $7 from the $15.39, that means that this receipt only came to $8.39. So when you add everything up, the $8.39 and the $3.01, that means that my total came to $11.40. So guys, I think this is an incredible haul. Go out, do the deals, come back, let me know what you were able to do, and until the next time, keep on saving.